For problems like 39, there's no easy way. You're just going to have to read the problem and figure out what your equations are going to be. So let's look at two examples. Number x is, whenever you see is, that means you want to put an equal sign. So x equals 11 less than. Let's talk about less than. Less than means to subtract. It also means write it backwards. So that 11 has to go at the end. And it's 3 times a smaller number y, so 3y. Then it says the sum of the numbers is 24. So if I added x and y, because sum means to add, I would get 24. So those are my two equations. Let's see which one it is. It looks like it's going to be A. Yep. Okay, let's talk about money. I've told you before, I'm going to tell you again. It's probably going to be money on your EOC. So there's 22 coins that have quarters and dimes, and total equals 355. So you need to know a quarter is worth 25 cents, and the way you write that is 0.25. A dime is worth 10 cents, and the way you write a dime is 0.10. And money plus money has to equal money. So the only other money in here is $3.55. And then all of your coins, so if I added up all the quarters and all the dimes, there would be 22 coins. So the one that is most like that is B. It's not A because they didn't put the 0.10 and the 0.25. Again, it's not C because it's not point and point. And D, it should be 3.55. And that's where they messed up on D. So if you watch the video and you still missed 39, I want you to try these 4 problems. I want to see the equations written out, kind of like I did. So I didn't just look at the answers and figure it out. I wrote out the equations and figured out my answer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, try these. Also, if you missed 39, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it. And the last one on here, number 40, you should just distribute. So I would do 4 times 6, x, and that gives me 24x. Then I would do 4 times 3y, which gives me 12y. So this one would be C. Now sometimes you'll want to work backwards. They'll give you the bottom and you got to get to the top. So same thing, we're just going to multiply. So this would give me 3n squared minus 15, right? 3n squared, 3 times 5 is 15. Well, that's not right. This one would give me 3n squared minus n times 5 is 5n. So that's the one that's right. Let me show you why this one's wrong. This would give you 3n squared minus 5n squared. So that's not right. And this one has nothing to do with the problem. You can't even do it. So B was the right answer here. And this one again, 7 times x is 7x. Bring down my plus. 7 times 5 is 35. So that would be B. So if you still missed 40 after watching the video, I want you to try these 3 problems. You can just write down 1 and what the answer is, and 2 and what the answer is, and 3 and what the answer is. And then if you still miss 40, write down what you think the answer should have been and why you missed it.